Welcome to your piano lesson. If you're here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch an introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link in the description below. If you like the content of my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm aiming to publish 2 weekly tutorials. Now let's dive into the lesson. And today finally the very last arpeggio using white, black, white keys. Is the very last minor arpeggio using white, black, white, and indeed in the next tutorial I will group the 3 minor arpeggios using white, black, white plus the 3 major arpeggios using also white, black, white, but you will understand what I mean in the next tutorial. So today it's about F minor. The F minor key signature features 4 flats, B flat, E flat, A flat and D flat. Obviously the black keys are 4. The last time I've explained and shown the C minor arpeggio, where the key signature is featuring 3 flats. So today F minor, where the fingering is the same identical 1, 1, 2, 3 for the right hand with the little finger to end, either 1 octave or the 2 octaves. If you play 2 octaves, 3 octaves or 4 octaves, you have to play the thumb passage and use the same fingers anyways for the remaining 2 notes. On the left side we do 5, 4 for the second note, and you will understand even more why 4. If you have watched all the previous tutorials, you should know why I let you use the 4th for the second note. Otherwise you can discover it today and check the other videos. And then second finger for the third note, where the 4th note, that would be the first, the F 1 octave higher, will be played by the thumb. If you play 1 octave, you go down, you back down, or otherwise you will cross over the thumb with the 4th. But we will understand even more what I mean diving into the lesson. As usual, let's check first which ones are the notes that we need for the F minor arpeggio. So as we mentioned, we have 4 flats. The flats are E, B, A, D for black keys, but we have to pay attention to the first 5 notes to get the 3 notes of the arpeggio that we need, and they are the first, the third and the 5th of the scale. The F minor scale would be, these ones are the first 5 notes. I'm using this position because I don't need to pay attention to the last ones, except the F obviously. As you know, if you want to play the, for example, the natural minor scale, you go up to 4 and then thumb passage and then so on to end. Or then if you play the melodic one, and then down, back to the key signature, or harmonic. But we have to pay attention to the first 5 notes, and take the first, the third, and the 5th. As I also mentioned, we use 1, 2, 3 for the right hand. Now, right hand 1 octave. Right hand 2 octaves. F minor arpeggio with the left hand. The left hand is using 5 for the first, as I said, 4th for the second note. Why? Because we have just 1 white key between first and second note. Also F major would be played with the 4th on the A. Same story, 1 white key. I always say that you use the third when you have 2 white keys in between the first and the second note. And then the second finger for the third note. To end, you use the thumb on the F 1 octave higher. So left hand 1 octave. 2 octaves left hand. Let's now play maybe from here. You apply the crossing over the thumb and play the A with the 4th. Now let's play 1 octave ends together. Let's play 2 octaves ends together. I'm starting from 1 octave lower. Exercises to improve the thumb passage and the crossing over the thumb. I'm starting from this F for the right hand. I explained the thumb passage using the right hand and the crossing over the thumb with the left. Now, exercise number 1, as usual, is the one of pausing on the note before the thumb passage, preparing the thumb on the F. You get ready, thumb on F, not playing it. Exercise number 2 will be the one of playing the F finally, getting ready in position. Not playing the following note with the second. Exercise number 3 will be the one of playing finally the notes, the A flat with the second. In this way you empower even more the action of the thumb passage. Smoothly. Obviously the right hand will be the one doing the crossing over the thumb going down. The left hand will be the one doing the thumb passage going down, but I'm explaining the crossing over the thumb using the left hand now. I will start from this F. So the first exercise is the one of posing on the F with the thumb, getting ready in position for the crossing over. Not playing at all the A flat with the fourth. Exercise number 2, you play the A flat with the fourth, preparing the next one. Not playing obviously the C. But now for the exercise number 3, you play the C with the second. In this way the crossing over the thumb will be empowered and become powerful. As I always say, with this one obviously I've completed the first half. And that's all. So that's all I wanted to explain regarding the F minor arpeggio. And I really hope you enjoyed it and understood everything. I really hope you have enjoyed this one. I really hope you are appreciating my way of explaining the arpeggios, that you are applying my technical exercises, these advices that I give to everybody. And I can definitely confirm that they work, because all my private students are playing the arpeggios very, very well when studying the arpeggios in the way I suggest. Let me know if you have enjoyed this project. Obviously now I will carry on with the remaining minor arpeggios, plus obviously, as I mentioned, with a tutorial where I will simply group all the arpeggios using white, black, white keys. Just one more thing to mention: if you have really enjoyed my tutorial, and if you are really enjoying my tutorials, I would really appreciate if you mind the new super thanks button that you find underneath. It's very easy to be found. It's either visible or you can find it clicking on the 3 dots. If you're really appreciating my content, my videos, if you enjoy this tutorial and all the tutorials that I have on my YouTube channel, and you want to support me, I would really appreciate. I hope that you understand how much work there is behind every single tutorial, because it's not only about filming or playing. The editing process, it's quite time consuming, and then the upload and the editing of the description and all is behind the video itself, the setting, the YouTube setting, it's quite time consuming. I'm doing with all my heart because I really love what I do. Music is my life, and probably you understood how much passion I really put into all I do. So your super thanks would be really appreciated. Thank you very much. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. All the best.